Dirk here from Go Travel. I'm here at the Bushman's River in the Eastern Cape in South Africa. Just up the coast from here is the Fish River Sun Resort. It's part of a large hotel group that owns and operates properties in multiple countries across Southern Africa. They get thousands of clients every year visiting their properties and enjoying what they have to offer. So what does it take to reach this level and to get these numbers of customers booking with them? It takes large investments in property development and staff training, and years of marketing through all the different channels, building relationships with international tour operators. The way big brands market their products to their customers happen behind the scenes. So we don't get to see all the details of what they do. But the interesting thing about these highly successful businesses is that it's not just big budgets and aggressive marketing that brings these results. They use marketing techniques and strategies that bring in lots of clients, and strategies that only takes understanding. It doesn't take years of experience or spending millions on marketing. These strategies can be implemented in your business quickly. So let me ask you, if you can change the way you think and change the way you think about your marketing, and as a result get more customers, would that be something you would be willing to commit to? If your answer is yes, let me show you during this next lesson how you can do that with mobile. Okay, grab a pen and notepad to make notes and write down any ideas that you might get as we work through the lesson. A solid mobile strategy takes your marketing from a hope it works to a pinpoint sharp marketing weapon of choice, where you target the largest travel market and reach them in a way that they want to be reached. And you're offering your customers great value by giving them mobile tools they can use every day, and in the process building your brand every step of the way. As part of this lesson, I'm giving you a mobile strategy blueprint to show you exactly what to implement to most effectively reach that connected traveler. This blueprint can be intimidating, but you don't have to know all of it right away. Pick out what will work for you and start implementing that. Then build on from there and expand your mobile strategy. So be sure to download the blueprint and work through it. There's a link below the video, so grab the PDF and work through it at your own pace after the lesson. Let's look at the different options available to implement a mobile strategy in your business. Okay, first off, responsive website. So what is a responsive website? It's a website that adapts to fit and display well on a mobile device. Only 40% of travel websites are responsive or mobile friendly. Now that is a scary statistic. A website is the most basic form of your online presence. And if your website's not responsive, it means that you're not found by 83% of people who start their planning on mobile. And if they find your website on a desktop, they'll quickly realize that the mobile experience doesn't work when they go there via their phone. So they'll move on to the next business who offers a mobile-friendly website. A responsive website is important during the start of the travel planning journey. Also known as a mobile website, it's basically a website that resizes to display perfectly on a mobile device. Here's an example of how it works. You'll see how the menu changes from a list to a button on the side and how the content fits perfectly on the screen. Your responsive website is where travelers will find you on search engines and then start gathering information on their next trip. Content should be snackable and easy to take in. Video works great as it's the most consumed content on mobile. Images are still very effective, and strong text headers will make it an enjoyable mobile experience. It's an important part of the research and planning phase from a traveler's perspective and sets the tone for your app experience as the next tool in their travel planning. It's possibly the first place they find you and interact with your content. It doesn't have the same level of interaction than, for instance, an app gives you, but your content has to be available on mobile when travelers are looking for that, for what you offer. Speak to your web developer about a responsive website. I have a few contacts of great web developers who can help you. So let me know if you need a responsive website, and I'll gladly point you in the right direction. Next up, let's look at web apps. These are browser-based applications similar to responsive websites. It generally offers more app functionality than a website and is designed specifically with an app experience in mind. The major downside of web apps is the fact that travelers don't stay in contact with you like with a downloaded app that sits on their phone or their tablet. The moment they close the browser, you are off their radar. All right, next is a native app. So what is a native app? An app that is conceptualized and developed by a business to deliver specific functionality to your clients via their mobile devices. It'll set you apart from competitors that don't offer a mobile app to their customers. The pros: good customer engagement, it's a strong brand building tool, and it's custom built to suit your business. And the cons: it is very expensive. Think $20,000 to $100,000. It also involves a steep learning curve, even with a specialist app development team. Native app development takes a long time. You have to set aside anything from 6 to 12 months to complete a native app. And it's limited to a set of functions. It's a disadvantage for agile growth to capture new markets. There's also expensive updates and constant maintenance. Next up, branded apps. So what is a branded app? A branded app uses an existing app platform that is developed to deliver industry-relevant functionality to your clients via their mobile devices. This will also set you apart from competitors that don't offer a mobile app. The pros: it's affordable, fast deployment, easy to use, no app maintenance and updates. It's customer-focused and tourism-specific. One of the cons: if custom functionality is requested, this depends on the platform developer to enhance that functionality. Most branded apps cover all the bases, so custom changes aren't necessary most of the time. If the app is tourism-specific, this shouldn't be a problem, as the developers should be open to suggestions. Let's look at app tools. First up, localization tools, sharing tools, map search tools, checklists, instant messaging, feedback forms, and the next one is factors that must be considered when planning your mobile strategy. What problems and difficulties will you be solving with your app? Your goals, user experience, design, implementation, app marketing, and performance. A powerful benefit of a mobile strategy is the fact that it builds your brand. You don't want brand dilution to take place while travelers are on holiday. They get bombarded by incredible experiences every day. And if you don't feature somewhere during their day, they forget about you. Build trust and loyalty with your clients. You give them helpful information that makes their holiday more memorable. Also build authentic relationships with clients by telling stories, by being there when they need your expertise. Enable strong word-of-mouth marketing through sharing. We looked at social sharing in the previous video, and we need to enable our clients to share their experiences whenever they feel like it, while including your business in their posts. All of these aspects contribute towards brand building. Customers appreciate value, and mobile allows you to really deliver great value, keeping your brand top of mind and building loyal customers who will think of you when planning their next holiday. A mobile strategy makes your brand stand out and rise above the rest. So that's the mobile strategy blueprint. I covered a lot of ground, and you don't have to know it all, understand all, or implement it all right away. Choose what works and use it to grow your business. I've received loads of emails from you telling me about the real value you've drawn from these videos. And there are lots of comments on the videos, and it's just great to hear from everyone. I read every single one of them, and I love the positive attitude you have towards mobile. And this is because it's possible. It's possible to use mobile. It's not this unattainable, unaffordable technology only available to a selected few, but it's something you can and must implement in your business. I just absolutely love what mobile technology does in the industry. The thing that really gets me out of bed in the morning is seeing the change that mobile brings in the travel industry. Businesses are making huge impact through using mobile apps. Many of you have told me that you'd like to take this training further and asked where you can learn more. If that's you and you're ready to join me to take it further on this journey, and go deeper in learning about mobile. I'm going to be opening up a class specifically teaching about mobile in the travel industry, going into more detail on each of the subjects we've looked at and much more. There will be limited space to ensure that I can give everyone my full attention in this in-depth mobile training course called Mobilize Mobile in Travel. So in my next video, I'll explain a bit more about my upcoming program and how you can take this training even further. At the end of the course, you'll be able to implement mobile in your business and will have the ability to get your own app. I'll tell you all about it in the next video. For now, hit the like button and leave a comment below and tell me what you'll be doing with everything you've learned so far. It's great to hear from you, and I read every comment. I want to encourage you to embrace mobile, to grow your business and start building authentic, long-lasting relationships with your customers. Speak to you soon.